So first of all, you just need to open up the Spotify app. Once you open that up, you click on your library. Then you click on your profile. You click on settings and privacy. And now the first thing that we are going to do is enable data saving mode, because this really helps. So you're going to scroll down to media, to data saving and offline. Then you see data saver. Now it's on automatic, so you just switch it on to on, and this will help save your data. Now we're also going to reduce our streaming quality in order to save our data. So you just go back and you tap on media quality. Now your audio streaming quality, you should just set this to low. Everything on the audio, which is the Wi-Fi streaming quality. Oh wow, once you enable data saving mode, your cellular streaming quality just goes, it's automatically set to low for you. Then your video streaming quality is also set to low. Cellular streaming quality should also be set to low, and your download quality should also be set to low. Now you can also download music for offline use, which is the best for saving data. So instead of listening to the songs online, you can just download them, and anytime you want to listen to them again, just play them offline. Now you also need to disable autoplay. This also helps to reduce your data usage. Now we're going to go back, and we're going to click on now we're going to click on data saving and offline. We're going to click on that. Oh, sorry. You go back. You're going to click on playback. Sorry. Once you click on playback, you just scroll down to autoplay. Autoplay will be turned on, so just turn it off, and this helps to reduce your data. Now you can also use Wi-Fi whenever possible. It is advisable to use Wi-Fi whenever possible, because using Wi-Fi helps to reduce your mobile data usage. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.